Okay guys, so how to make money with the ClickBank. With this video guys, I will show you exactly step by step how to promote your ClickBank affiliate link, how to get real human traffic to your offers, to your ClickBank or any affiliate network. With this method, I will show you the best proven solo ads that you can use it to get real visitors to your affiliate link, real traffic, real visitors, real hits daily. This is the best traffic that I am using every single day to promote my affiliate links. So I decide to share it with you. So if you want, you can use it too. So let's start. I will make this video step by step for beginners. If you are a newbie, so I will make this video very slowly so you can clone or copy my method so you can get traffic to your affiliate link. So first, let's go to a ClickBank account. Here you can see login. If you don't have an account, you can go here, create account. You can make your free account. It's free. And when you have your free account, then you can go here to login and login to your ClickBank account. Okay, like you see, this is the dashboard of a ClickBank, and you can see here in the top, you can see marketplace. So let's visit marketplace. And we will get this page. Now look, you can go here, you have some niche that you can use and the sub niche like this. Okay, you can click and you will see sub niche. Okay, you have unlimited niche that you can use. You can choose your affiliate link, your product, and you can promote it. Also, you can go here and searching for your niche or your favorite niche, and you can, for example, I will choose solo ads. This is a good niche, solo ads. Then we will get a different product, very nice product that we can use to promote and get visitors. For this video, guys, I will choose this product, solo ads chunky. This is a very nice product. Let's visit and you can see very nice, look very nice product. Okay, very good. Now you can see here in the bottom, sorry for this, in the bottom, affiliate earn 50% commission. This is very nice. Okay, so let's visit and go to affiliate program. We will get this page. Okay, for this method we will use email marketing, like you see here, email marketing. We have two email marketing here. Okay, this email and this email, and also we have banners here. If you want to use a banner to promote, sorry, if you want to use, you can use a banner to promote your affiliate link. But for this method I will use email marketing. Okay, I will use this email marketing. Okay, so how this work? Like I said in the beginning, in the start this video, we will use a solo ad niche, promoting our affiliate using solo ads. Okay, we will use solo ads traffic. For this, let's go to Google and type traffic cashlist.com. We will find this website. This website will give you unlimited real human traffic daily. Sorry. And like you see here, you have solo ads. Okay, so let's visit and we will get this page. Now look, I want to show you something very, very, very nice. Look at this, solo ads to 1 million targeted list, and you will get 10,000 guaranteed clicks. I try this package. I get over 20,000 visitors to my offer, and I think this is the best solo ads. This is guaranteed visitors and clicks. Okay, so how this work? Let's visit and we will get this page. Okay, so all we have to do now, this is very easy and very simple, and I will show you exactly how this works. So let's back to our affiliate product, and we can see here email number 1. I will take all this email, copy, and back to our solo ads website. We will put this here, all the text. Then we can get this link, copy, and put here ad title. Okay, this is our ad title. Like you see, need more clicks, leads, and sales to your affiliate link or landing page. Okay, so all we have to do is put here, and let's back to our product. Okay, on ClickBank. So this, we don't need it anymore. Let's back to, okay, this is our product, solo ad junkie. We have here promote, so let's click promote, and we will get this page. Let's click here create, and we will get this link, the black link, okay? This is not our link. This is our link here in the top. So copy, and we can close this window. Okay, so let's back to our solo ad marketing, and you can see here your affiliate link here. So let's put you can short your link and then put it here. With this video, I will put my link like this. Okay, I will delete. Okay, so this is my link. I will delete this. Okay, now this is my link, and you can see your website URL to promote. I will put my link here. Okay, so that's all you have to do. And then you can see here, add this to my card. Check if everything is okay. You can see here your website to promote. This is the link. Add title, you can see. Need more clicks, leads. So everything is okay. Our text, everything is okay. And then you can go to PayPal checkout. Okay. Okay, login. And buy. Okay, that's all you have to do to promote your affiliate link. Very important to get traffic to your affiliate link. If you don't have traffic, you will never get a commission. So very important to get all the time traffic to your affiliate link. I hope you like this step-by-step video. Please, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will make more and more videos so you can learn a different method how to get real traffic to your affiliate link daily. Thank you again for watching, and have a good day. Thank you very much.